Hi everyone, welcome back to Style Blender, and in this video I'm going to share very quick masks because my kids started school and I needed a bunch of masks for them, so that's the reason I am sewing it, and that's why I decided to just share with you so you can make a bunch of them. And if your kids are going to school, they can every day they can wear new mask and you don't have to worry about it. So things you need is 100% cotton I'm using for the lining and for the main fabric, and also I'm using the pipe cleaner just to hold the shape around the nose area so they can easily make a shape around the nose area to cover their nose properly. And this is the mask. As you can see, this is the regular mask I have, so I'm using the exactly same shape, and here you can see this is how it holds up. You can use any kind of pattern. You can use a fun pattern so kids can wear it easily. They like to show off, and if you make it on your own, then they would have like a very good variety of mask and they can wear a new mask every day. I have cut the same measurements on different fabrics so I can just start sew and finish it off in 1 hour. I almost stitched 15 masks with kids interruption. So anyways, so the length and width I am going to share with you is for the kids, and the width is 7 inches and the length is 5 inches. Okay, so it's 5 by 7. Now I'm going to sew the lining and the print fabric together. First sew the wrong sides together, and then here you can see I'm gonna fold it in half just to make a midpoint. And at this point you can take your pipe cleaner or whatever you are using to hold the shape. I'm just gonna cut it out for 3 inches. I think this is a decent amount, and you want to use 2 or 1, it depends, it's all depends, it's your choice, but I'm gonna use just the one size. So I'm gonna fold it like this and mark the midpoint, and here I'm going to use the zigzag stitch to just sew this pipe cleaner, or you can do the hand sew. If your cotton material is thin, then make sure you use extra 2 layers just around the pipe cleaner area, because you don't want your kids to have any marks around nose area. It will annoy them. Once you sew the pipe cleaner, then sew the other side of the fabric and then turn it inside out. The next thing is I'm going to fold 1/3 inches inside, or you can say 0.25 inches. I'm gonna fold it inside and leave about 1/2 inch from top and sew this elastic. The elastic piece, my elastic piece is 7 inches long, but you can take 5 inches because my kids wear over the hijab, so that's why I took extra 2-3 inches so they can wear all around the head area. And then I'm gonna leave again a 1/2 inch. I'm gonna leave 1/2 inch from the bottom and finish off the stitching of the elastic piece, and then I will use the same method on other side, just covering all the seams one more time. I just wanted to have a strong stitch around the elasticated area, so I just you do 3 times extra just for just to have a strong stitch over there. And then I'm gonna create 2 half-inch pleats, both side, leaving 1 inches from top, and just like that you create 2 pleats. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and that's about it. Your mask is ready. If you want to measure it, or you can use the same thing. I'm just eyeballing here, and you can pin it and sew it. It's as simple as is. And there you have your mask ready, and this is how it looks like. All you can make using the same method. You can create like 30 masks for 30 days, and just just to be on safe side, they lose the mask, they should have extra mask in their bags. And here you can see I'm gonna hold the shape. Because of the pipe cleaner, there is a shape holding, and that's it. And because my kids wear it over the hijab, so I stitch these kind of, I don't know what should I say, mask holders, straps, yeah, maybe something like that. And I can show you how you can create those. And because they have to wear it for 7-8 hours, I don't want their ear to get hurt, and they get annoyed easily. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully you like it, and if you like, please do let me know in the comment section, and I love if you would subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye.